Good morning, guys. How are you? I don't like that. That's funny. Oh, snap. Hey, guys. Good morning. It's day 4 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm trying to have a better day than I had yesterday. I know my video, I haven't even uploaded the video yet. It's only going to be like a couple minutes long, but I'm going to upload it anyway just to stay consistent. But today, I have to go get the radiator for my car. So I'll take you guys with that. Maybe show some clips of my dad fixing it. And probably stop by the store to get some Pampers, some food for a couple of days. And I don't know what else we're gonna get into. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to have a better day than yesterday. Like yesterday was so bad. It started out good and it was just one of those declining days. So I'm just trying to have a better day. I have a lot of stuff on my to-do list that I need to get done. It's very dire and important. So I'm gonna try to handle all of that today. And I'm gonna speed up me getting ready. I thought I would film that because I don't know how much content I'm gonna have for this video, but I'm gonna time lapse me getting ready, and I will probably check in with you guys when I meet up with my parents to go get the radiator for my car. Tire was just flat all the way to the hood cap.